Hi, I'm Angela from Growing in the Garden, and in today's video, I'm going to give you 7 ways that you can practice regenerative gardening in your own yard. The first thing you can do is to choose native species of plants. They're well adapted to local conditions, they're less maintenance than exotic species, and they are host for native beneficial insects and pollinators. The next thing you can do is compost. Composting keeps kitchen scraps, leaves, and grass clippings out of the landfill and turns them into nutrient-rich amendments for your soil. Next, if you're going to use fertilizers, choose organic. Chemical fertilizers kill the microbes in your soil and can pollute the waterways. Organic fertilizers provide nutrients without the negative side effects. Avoid pesticides. They can kill the harmful bugs, but also the beneficial ones. If you use organic pest control methods, use them with a light hand. Try other methods like companion planting and rotating where you're planting your crops instead. Install rain barrels. Collecting your own rainwater reduces the need for city water, which reduces your bill, and it conserves this precious natural resource. Check with local regulations to make sure that it's legal in your area. Another way is to attract pollinators to your yard. Plant a wide variety of different flowers and herbs that will attract a wide variety of beneficial insects, hummingbirds, butterflies that are crucial for plant reproduction. And finally, reduce lawn areas. Grass requires a lot of maintenance, water, and fertilizer. Instead, look for ways to reduce lawn area and plant native plants and vegetable gardens instead. If any of these ideas stood out to you, get started and do one of them today, and then try another one. It's amazing the difference that each one of us can make.